Hey, what's going on, my YouTube fam? Savage Tech at you again. Today, we're gonna look at the TONOR Q9 USB condenser microphone with a cordial pickup pattern. All right. This baby comes with a 2-year warranty. Check it. TONOR hit me up. Said, Savage, I got a microphone that I want you to try out. I said, for sure. So here we go. This is your manual. It lets you jump right in. Everything you need to get you up and running. The buttons on your microphone, the plus and minus sign. If you hold them, they'll cut your microphone on and off. And you have a blue light on the microphone that will indicate such by being on or off. This little book has everything to get you started. Plug and play action. This is your table mount or your boom. Your standard issue. Seems pretty solid. This is your pop filter. Seems pretty thick. This is your second pop filter. Nice. Metal arm. Plastic housing. This is your USB cable that connects your mic to your PC. Standard issue. This is your boom arm. Standard issue. Seems pretty solid. Man, this is a nice kit. Boom arm, 2 pop filters, and a microphone for the low to get you started, to get you jumping. Those are the buttons I was talking about. They're kind of soft, push, but I understand why. Because if you got your microphone set up and recording, if you push that button and it's a click, let's start this recording over again, bruh, sis. All right, it has metal housing. Nice. Okay, you have your gain and mute buttons. And also, it's plug and play. No more playing around with stuff. You know, just dive right into it. Nice little weight on the microphone. And yes, it comes with a shock mount. Just squeeze those 2 tabs. Drop that baby into the position that you want. And you're good to go. Plug your USB in. Come on, people, act like you're a pro. USB into microphone, the other end to your computer. That's how we doing it. Even though Tonor sent this mic to me, it's all my opinion. And as you can see, the little blue light on the microphone that lets you know that the mic is on. If you hold the plus or minus button and it goes off, the microphone is off. This pop filter is working, your boy Savage. You see it. That pop filter is a little flimsy. But I mean, you got this one just in case that other one hit that nerve. Alright, off with this one. I don't like it. I like the other one. Just to prefer, you know, the way I prefer to roll. I like to see that microphone in all its glory. And as you know, the way Savage roll, I have all my stuff running through the NVIDIA broadcast app because of my noisy background, air conditioner, my kid, and my dog. Yeah. All right. So on that note, this whole video has been recorded with the TONOR Q9 USB condenser microphone. You hear it? What do you think? I think it's awesome for the price. Check the links in the description. I also put a tag in the window. And as always, thanks for the support. All the subscribers. And if you're not a subscriber, hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, and definitely ring that bell. Check it. This is a nice sounding mic. Pick it up if you're ready to get started. Get your studio together. And you don't have to break the bank to do it. Savage. Out.